Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain some of the important concept of chapter data file handling. So let's move toward the first concept we are going to discuss in this video. Hello students, our today's topic is how to write in a text file. Dear student, in Python, write function is used to write the content to the file in the form of string. So dear student, write function is used to write the content of the file in the form of string. Write function does not run any value. Due to buffering, the string may not actually show up in the file until the flush function or close method is called. So dear student, in Python, write function is used to write the content to the file in the form of string, and write function does not run any value. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to use write function in Python. Open Python software, click at option file and choose option new file. Line 1 equal to welcome to Python. Line 2 equal to welcome to RMPS. F equal to open story.txt, W. Here I am opening file story.txt in write mode. F dot write line 1, F dot write line 2, F dot close. Now click at option file and choose option save as and save your file with any name. Now click at option run and choose option run module. After executing the code, a new file story.txt will be created in Python folder, and line 1 and line 2 is written in this file.